Want to fix Facebook Messenger login problem? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is make sure your internet connection is stable. You can check by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to reset your network connection. Next thing you want to do is enable the airplane mode. Now after a couple of seconds, you again want to turn that off. Now open the Messenger app and check if your problem is fixed. Next thing you want to do is clear any corrupted app data by closing the Messenger app completely and then reopening it. Next, head over to Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now select Messenger, tap on Storage, tap Clear Cache, tap Clear Data and tap on the Delete option. Once that is done, launch Open Messenger app and check if you can log in. If you still cannot log in, you want to open up Play Store. Then tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and search Messenger. Now, if you find an update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. This is going to fix any bugs in the app. If the issue is still persisting, you want to uninstall the application. For that, tap on Uninstall. Once the application has been uninstalled, reinstall it again from Play Store. Once it has been reinstalled, you want to enter your credentials and log into your account. If you're still facing issue, you want to contact Facebook's customer service, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.